If you want to add in inspirational quotes, then there's a quote section that you can add into your page as well. So for that, I'm just going to click on add section right over here. And then on the left side, you can see that you can add in quotes right over here. So you can see that quotes are simple section right over here. Let me just go for this one over here. And then we can see that it is quite simple. So over here, you can add in a quote right over here. You can add in the title of the quote as well. So you can type in something like inspirational quote right over here. And then you can select it and format it over here as well. So you can give a subtitle like who said the quote and so forth. So I'm just going to say tube right over here. And then I'm going to change the quote right over here, which is inside the quotation mark over here, right? Just like that. And I'm going to say keep on learning and keep on improving, just like this. So I can add in a quote over here, and this is an inspirational quote right over there. You can also enable a media right over here. You can edit and replace a media of your choice and replace it right over here, which is another section that you can add in. So let me just go on to the site files right over here. And then from site files, I'm just going to add in this picture and apply that out. And let's see how that actually looks like. There's a small image, as you can see. So you can also link this out over here. You can go back and you can also add in buttons to actually go on to somewhere related to the quote right over there. So these are the options provided right over here. You can go to section design and you can select different designs over here. So you can select this one out right over here. As you can see, there's an image over there as well. And you can work around with this as well. So let's just go to section design. Let's go to this type of a design right over here. And you can see that it changes the inspirational quote layout altogether for you, just like that. So it's a pretty simple section, as you can see, an inspirational section where you can add in quotes and thoughts right over there. And that is how you can use the quote section inside of Wix ADI. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.